ISWEEP X3 Smart Robotic Vacuum Cleaner is an effective way to free you from the rather boring household chores, allowing you to spend more time with your family members or concentrate your energy on your work. Sleek and simple round snazzy design would fit perfectly in your house. Whether a modern home or a lovely Victorian house, dual side brushes gather the dust with less slippage, can easily suck dirt out of carpet or gaps in wood floors. No need to worry about the pet hair or snack crumbs. An electrically controlled reservoir design, combined with disinfectant, effectively sterilizes so that the floor dries up immediately after mopping to prevent slips. Anti-collision sensors help ISWEEP X3 to avoid bumping into obstacles so that it can clean under and around furniture without help from you. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Wi-Fi app control. Use the app to customize a cleaning schedule that suits you best. Easily set multiple cleaning schedules to clean at different times and on different days via your phone. Number 2. Drop sensors detect stairs. The robot vacuum adopts high-precision infrared sensors. Advanced drop sensing technology to avoid falling down the stairs or edges. Number 3. Large 0.5 liters dust box. ISWEEP Robot Vacuum Cleaner has a large 500 ml dustbin to hold more dust and dirt. The dustbin is washable and it is easy to take out the residual dust to clean. Comes with a HEPA filter, providing a better cleaning effort. Number 4. Super quiet and slim thin. 60 dB without disturbing children's rest and play. 3.1 low profile design enables the robotic vacuum cleaner to move under the sofa, beds, or other furniture. Number 5. A key to start. Easy operation with start cleaning work. App control lets you have total control of X3 no matter where you are. Number 6. Automatically recharge. Don't worry about running out of power. The ISWEEP X3 automatically returns to the charging dock when it completes the cleaning cycle or when the battery gets low. Number 7. Remove and install the water tank. The water tank is not necessary to install all the time. When you just want to sweep the house, you can remove it easily. If you want to mop the floor, then you should install the water tank first. Number 8. 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping. Gyro navigation. Robot vacuum sweeping system provides a powerful 18-0 paw suction mopping system with intelligent control. Water tank. Easily remove the stain and dirt on the hard floors. Anti-drop, anti-fall, with 13 sensors. Number 9. Imported motor. Quiet, stable performance, rapid response, strong data processing capacity. It can easily and efficiently collect debris, hair, dust, and dirt. Number 10. Automatic cleaning mode is including 4 cleaning modes: gong cleaning, edge cleaning, key cleaning, self-reinforcing suction cleaning. Number 11. The battery provided by well-known BYD longer battery average life. With 2500 mAh battery can last up to 90 to 120 minutes for working. Automatically docks and charges, and is always prepared to clean the floor. Number 12. 500 ml dustbin. 150 ml big water tank, efficient wet mopping. Number 13. All accessories have been installed in the machine. All the original accessories can be supplied if you need them, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.